and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm very excited today to share with you a beautiful case for my long-term patient Ronald here. We had stabilized Ronald's dentures a long time ago, like what did we say, 15 years ago or something like that?
Yes.
Were they upper and lower stabilization of dentures?
Yes, they were, yeah.
And they did really well for a long time, and we recently decided to upgrade his upper from a removable snap-on denture to something permanent. He still has his removable lower denture, so let me just show you what he's got in his mouth right now. So these are his lower implants, and they're doing really well. And there's his lower denture. So I'm going to snap that back on, okay? On the upper, he has a temporary upper roundhouse temporary bridge that we snap on with O-ring housings, okay? And that was made by Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Lab. That's a temporary roundhouse that we had made. It's wearing down. He's had it in for a while now. But today we're going to be putting in his permanent upper roundhouse bridge. So you see he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nice solid mini implants. Of course, these are the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. All of these are the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T mini implants that he's had for many, many years, and we added a couple more on the upper and upgraded him to a permanent bridge. The lab did a fabulous job of replicating the temporary that we had in his mouth with the PFM bridge, porcelain fused to metal. So the lab made this nice temporary. We used that for a while. His bite was really nice and the aesthetics were good, so we had the lab use this as a guide to replicate it, keep biting, and they did a really nice job. It's very, very similar shape and size. If you're going to have us make the temporary, of course, everything's digitalized now, so when we do a scan of the temporary, we have that to use to fabricate the permanent restoration. So we digitize everything now. Whether you send us conventional impressions or digital impressions, either way it becomes three-dimensional digitized. So the other advantage of that is, let's say in 3 years or 5 years, patient happens to break the porcelain on their teeth or whatever happens, we can have a refabrication done because we have everything on file. And you don't have to take everything off, take new impressions and all that. So we save all of these files indefinitely if we ever need to do anything like that. And we had our new partner lab at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T make this beautiful porcelain fused to metal roundhouse bridge with really nice pink porcelain. The work is just gorgeous. We tried it in already and he already loves it. Bite together, Ron. The bite is perfect. The color is really, really nice and he looks great. And he reminded me that we did a video of him about 15 years ago when he did his first set of dentures. So he's got a second chance at video stardom here. So I want to show you how nice this adapts to the soft tissue on the lingual side. Really beautiful work. The lab did a gorgeous job and it looks fantastic. So right now, without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and cement this upper roundhouse. And again, like I've been doing, I'm going to be using the Telio cement from Ivoclar. This is a really nice product, Telio Link. It's an excellent implant cement. It is a long-term provisional cement, but it gives us the ability to retrieve it if we ever need to. So you get the best of both worlds. It's very nice and strong. It's a resin cement, dual cure resin cement, so it cures by light and by mixing. I'm a big believer in this product. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and cement that. And I'm just going to have you bite together and just hold it real still for 5 minutes. Okay, sir? All right, just keep biting on that. Very good. Thank you for joining me on the Monday Morning Minute. We'll see you next Monday for some new amazing restorations.
And remember, please join us for our 2-day mini dental implant training course coming up on February 27th and 28th. The first day, February 27th, is at no charge, and the second day, February 28th, is half off at $4.95. That is 16 PACE-approved CE credits for only $4.95. With awesome lectures by Dr. Todd Shatkin, Dr. Jared Shatkin, as well as Dr. James Tharp from Frankfort, Illinois. You will have the opportunity for extensive hands-on training with mini dental implants in our brand new preclinical lab on real animal bone. You will also get to see Dr. Shatkin perform live surgery on Saturday the 28th. We have limited seats remaining, so please call today and reserve your spot.